Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. Today's topic is Java interface. In this session, we will be discussing about the concept and features of Java interface along with practical Java code example. What is interface? Any service requirement specification is known as interface. In Java, it is also known as blueprint of a class. Point to remember. Every method present inside interface is always public and abstract, whether we are declaring or not. That's why interface is also known as 100% pure abstract class. We can't declare interface method with following modifiers: protected, final, synchronized, native, strict FP. Let's understand this with diagram. Here I am writing public abstract and interface. Since every method inside interface is public and abstract, and if the method is public, we can't declare any modifier as private and protected. Private, protected. And if the method is abstract, we can't declare any modifier as and if the method is abstract, we can't declare any modifier as static, final, synchronized, native, and strict FP. Since in interface every method is public and abstract, then we can't declare any access modifier like private, protected, final, synchronized, native, and strict FP. This concept is valid till Java 7 because in Java 8 version, static is also included in interface method, and in Java 9, private modifier is also included via interface. Java 8, Java 9 version. Hence, in interface, we can't declare any modifiers as protected, final, synchronized, native, and strict FP. Moving next. Requirement of a Java interface. Why do we require Java interface? As you all aware that Java uses different types of inheritance like single level, multi-level, and hierarchical. And you also know that multiple inheritance is not supported by Java due to some ambiguity issue. This problem is also known as diamond problem. We require a Java interface to overcome the problem of multiple inheritance. Here you can see class X and class Y. Both are the parent class for class Z, and class Z inheriting both class X and class Y. That is not possible in Java because this is multiple inheritance. In Java, a class cannot inherit two parent class. So, to overcome this issue, interface is introduced. Suppose here if class X is a interface X, then class Z easily implement the class X and easily inherits the class Y. This way, the class Z is able to use the properties and behavior of both interface X and class Y. So this way, interface resolve the multiple inheritance problem in Java. Rules for Java interface. Every method is always public and abstract. We use interface keyword to declare an interface. Interface has only static and final variable. Inside interface, we can't declare constructors. An interface can be implemented using implements keyword. Syntax for Java interface. Here you can see pen is declared with the keyword interface, means pen is an interface. Here there are two methods, write and draw. Both methods are abstract in nature by default. That's why both method does not contain any method body. Let us understand why we use interface through code. Here we creating an interface. I'm giving the name pen. Our interface is created. Now we want to declare method. So I'm declaring two methods, write and draw. Public void write and I'm here creating another method draw. Since we all know inside interface all the methods are public and abstract. So these two methods are also behaving as abstract methods. That's why they both are not contain any method body. So here our interface is created. Let's save this. Now we have to create a class. So I'm creating a class Reynolds. Here I am creating a class Reynolds. Now we want to implement this class with interface pen. So I am implementing this class. Here I am writing implements keyword and interface pen. So here I am implementing the interface pen. Now it's showing some error. Here the type Reynolds must implement the inherited abstract method pen.write. Add unimplemented method. When you implement any interface, then you have to override all the methods created inside interface. So inside interface, two methods created, write and draw. So we copy these methods and paste inside our class. Here it's showing error and says add body because if any method created inside class, then it contains a body. I am just creating the body for write method and same as for draw method. Now inside the body, I want to print some statement like I'm printing here writing a Java program, and I also print here some statement like drawing a circle. Okay, so here we use the methods created in our interface pen. Now we want to print this statement. So I'm right here. I'm creating the object of Reynolds class. Let this Reynolds my pen equal to new Reynolds. Object is created. Object is created here. Now we want to print these statement while calling these two methods. So my pen dot write. You can see the methods are also showing the suggestions, and again my pen dot draw. Now let's save the program and run. Here you can see the output is writing a Java program drawing a circle. Means the method created in interface is successfully used by our class Reynolds because Reynolds class implementing the interface pen. And I also want to tell you one thing here that an interface is cannot instantiated. So if you want to check this, let's try. Instead of Reynolds, we taking here pen. Then see what's up. Here it says cannot instantiate the type pen. Means interface cannot be instantiated. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.